In today's class, we will look at simplifying polynomial expressions. When we talk about polynomial expressions, we mean an expression in which the x power or any of the other letters we use in algebra, the power being greater than 2. So we have a question here. In this question, we are to simplify 3x squared minus 5x cubed minus x open bracket 2x squared plus 4x close bracket. This is an example of a polynomial expression because we have x cubed. Just like that, when the powers continue from x cubed x or x raised to power 3 and above, it becomes a polynomial expression. So let's see how we're going to simplify this and others that will follow. Like every algebraic expression you solve, the first thing you do when you have an expression like this is to expand the brackets. And then you collect like terms. So let's do that here now. This will be 3x squared minus 5x cubed. Now let's open the bracket. Remember, this is minus x. So minus x times 2x squared will give minus 2x cubed. Minus times plus, it's minus. Then x times 4x, that will give you 4x squared. The next step is to collect like terms. So this becomes 3x squared minus 4x squared minus 5x cubed minus 2x cubed. And the final answer will come out 3x squared minus 4x squared, it's minus x squared. Minus 5x cubed minus 2x cubed, it's minus 7x cubed. Now remember the concept of minus 5 minus 2. I'm owing 5, I'm owing 2, so that's minus 7. Then pick one of the letters, x cubed. That is the answer to the question. Let's move to number 2. I have a squared minus 2a plus 5a cubed plus 1 minus 10a. Now, let's see what we're going to do here. Rearrange or collect like terms. A square. There is no other square, so we'll move to cube. Plus 5a cubed minus 2a minus 10a plus 1. And this will give us a square plus 5a cubed minus 2a minus 10a is minus 12a plus 1. Now this is the answer to your question, to this question. I can rearrange if I want to, but I decide to leave it this way. I go to number 3. 17 minus 3y square plus 2y square minus 5y cubed plus 5. This will be 17, collect like terms, plus 5 minus 3y square plus 2y square minus 5y cubed. This will give you 17 plus 5 is 22. The minus 3y square plus 2y square will give you minus y square and the minus 5y cubed. That is the solution to number 3. So you see, it's as simple as ABC. Let's continue. I have 11d raised to power 5 minus 9d raised to power 6 plus 15d raised to power 5 minus 13d raised to power 6 plus 5d raised to power 6. This is also as simple as ABC, correct like terms. 11d raised to power 5 plus 15d raised to power 5 minus 9d raised to power 6 minus 13d raised to power 6 plus 5d raised to power 6. This becomes 11 plus 15, or 11d raised to power 5 plus 15d raised to power 5. This will be 26d raised to power 5 minus 9d raised to power 6 minus 13d raised to power 6 will be minus 19d raised to power 6. That's a mistake. I mean to say 9 minus 9 minus 13. That's 22. It's a mistake. Sorry about that. Yeah. Minus 9d raised to power 6 minus 13d raised to power 6 is minus 22d raised to power 6. That's correct now. Then plus your 5d raised to power 6. Then the final result will be minus 22d raised to power 6 plus 5d raised to power 6. You see, if you take away 5 from 22, because it's minus 22d raised to power 6 plus 5d raised to power 6, that will give you minus 17d raised to power 6. So this is the answer to the question. Now I move over to number 5. Number 5, I have 3 open bracket 7 n raised to power 10 minus 4 n raised to power 9 minus 5 n raised to power 10. Now this will be, expand the bracket, 3 times 7, 21n raised to power 10, 3 times minus 4, minus 12n raised to power 9, and then 3 times minus 5, minus 15n raised to power 10. And if you continue the simplification, it will be 21n raised to power 10 minus 15n raised to power 10 minus 12n raised to power 9. This will further give you 21n raised to power 10 minus 15n raised to power 10 will be 6n raised to power 10. The minus 12n raised to power 9. That is the answer to the question number 5. Now, number 6. Let's assume I have 5d squared plus 2d squared minus 8d cubed minus open bracket 2d squared plus 5d close brackets. This will give 5d squared, correct like terms, or rather, let's expand the bracket first before we collect like terms, plus 2d squared minus 8d cubed. Now the minus here will expand this bracket to be minus times 2d squared minus 2d squared minus times plus minus 5d. Now at this point we can collect like terms. If I were to collect like terms, I'm going to have 5d squared plus 2d squared, then minus 2d squared minus 8d cubed minus 5d. This is d. Good. So 5d squared plus 2d squared, that's 7d squared, minus 2d squared, that's 5d squared. Then you have minus 8d cubed and minus 5d. We can simplify further, so that's our answer. Let's move to number 7. Let's take a long expression, 15x squared minus 7x raised to power 4 plus 25x raised to power 3 minus 10x raised to power 4 plus 35x raised to power 3 minus 5x raised to power 4. Okay, since there's no bracket to expand, we collect like terms. This will be 15x raised to power 2. Let's check out for any x raised to power 2. Okay, there's none, so we'll go to minus 7x raised to power 4 minus 10x raised to power 4 minus 5x raised to power 4. So we'll go to 3 plus 25 x raised to power 3 plus 35 x raised to power 3. Like I said, always check if the terms are complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then check for the sign also. Plus, plus, minus 7x raised to power 4, minus 7x raised to power 4, minus 10x raised to power 4, minus 10x raised to power 4. Then you have minus 5x raised to power 4, minus 5x raised to power 4, plus 25x raised to power 3, plus 25x raised to power 3, then plus 35x raised to power 3, 35x raised to power 3. So this is accurate. So this will be 15x raised to power 2 minus 7x raised to power 4 minus 10x raised to power 4. That's minus 17x raised to power 4. Then minus 17 minus 5x raised to power 4, that will give you minus 22x raised to power 4. So minus 7, minus 10, minus 5, they all have x raised to power 4 as the algebra there. So minus 7 minus 10 is minus 17. Minus 17 minus 5 is minus 22. X raised to power 4. And then lastly, you have plus 25 x raised to power 3 plus 35 x raised to power 3. So this is 25 plus 35. That will give you 60 x raised to power 3. So if you see, so desire, rearrange the equation so that it looks neat. Plus, sorry, your expression, not equation, x raised to power 3, then minus 22x raised to power 4. So it's better this way. Now we are going further to another example. I have 2 y raised to power 2 plus 2y raised to power 2 minus 5y raised to power 3, close bracket, plus 8y raised to power 3 plus 19. Now what would this be? First thing first, expand the bracket. So use 2 to multiply every expression in the bracket. So this will be 2y squared plus 4y squared minus 10y raised to power 3. That should not be a problem anymore. Plus 19. Next step, collect like terms. So this is 2y squared. Oh, the terms are already collected. They are well arranged, so no need collecting another like term. So just go ahead and add your expressions. 2y squared plus 4y squared, that's 6y squared. So let this be 6y squared. The minus 10y cube plus 8y cube, that's minus 2y cube. And then you have plus 19. That's it. You have minus 5 open brackets, x raised to power 6 plus 10 close brackets, and then you have minus 8 open brackets, 14 plus x raised to power 6. Expand the bracket. So this will be minus 5, multiply every expression in this bracket. That will be minus 5x raised to power 6. Minus 5 times plus 10 is minus 50. So that's done. We'll go to the next bracket. You use the minus 8 to expand this bracket. Minus 8 times 14. Well, you can do that somewhere else. 14 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 2. Then you carry the 3. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3. That's 11. So this will give you minus 112. And minus 8 times x raised to power 6 is minus 8x raised to power 6. At this point, you can collect like terms. X raised to power 6 minus 8x raised to power 6 minus 50 minus 112. And then your answer becomes minus 5 minus 8. See, they have the same algebra, x raised to power 6, x raised to power 6. This will be minus 13 x raised to power 6. And minus 15 minus 112. This will be minus 162. So that's the answer to the question. Now let's look at the last example for this exercise. Let this be 10 plus 2y squared minus 8y raised to power 3 minus y squared plus 5y raised to power 3, close brackets. First and first, let's open or expand the bracket. Use the minus to multiply everything in the bracket, so this will be minus 8y raised to power 3, minus times minus is plus y squared, minus times plus is minus 5y raised to power 3. Collect like terms. 10 plus 2y squared plus y squared minus 8y raised to power 3 minus 5y raised to power 3. And then the final expression you're going to have will be 10 plus 2y squared plus y squared, that's 3y squared, and minus 8y cubed minus 5y cubed, that's minus 13y cubed. That's it, the answer to the question number 10. Okay, I'm going to give you some questions to test your IQ. You're simplifying the following. You have 10 questions on your screen. The first one is 4x squared minus 7x cubed plus x open bracket 3x squared minus 5x close bracket. Number 2, 11 minus 5y squared minus 3y cubed plus 6y squared minus 14. Number 3, 16n plus 7n cubed minus 9 minus 3 open bracket n cubed minus 6n close bracket. Number 4, 8y squared plus 3y squared minus 5y cubed minus open bracket 4y squared minus 6y close bracket. Number 5, 3 open bracket x squared minus 3x squared plus 6x cubed close bracket minus 7x cubed minus 15. Number 6, 19y squared minus 9y raised to power 4 plus 13y raised to power 3 minus 11y raised to power 4 minus 12y cubed minus 6x raised to power 4. Oh, this is a mistake. This is supposed to be y raised to power 4. So it's a mistake. So let's go to number 7. 7 plus 3y squared minus open bracket 4y cubed minus y squared minus 8y cubed close bracket. In the number 8, 6 open bracket 3x raised to power 5 minus 5x raised to power 4 minus 7x raised to power 5 close bracket. Number 9, x squared open bracket 5x minus 6x squared close bracket minus x squared plus x cubed minus x raised to power 4. And the last one, number 10, 9 open bracket m squared minus 3m minus 4m cubed close bracket minus 18m cubed plus 15m. Please work out the solutions to these questions. Put your answers in the comment section. Let's see who will be the first to get the 10 questions correctly. Remember to subscribe and like the videos.